Hi, my name is Marcos. I have more than a decade of experience with systems development, 7 of them with SAP ABAP. During these lessons, I'll be guiding you through this course that unlocks the main capabilities that the new ABAP Debugger can offer to you. Be ahead in the market. This course can differentiate you from others by taking you one step further. Learn all the capabilities of the new ABAP Debugger and be able to, among others, find programming errors much easier, encounter that configuration that needs to be changed but that no one can find. Understand the problem with your selection criteria that is preventing your programming from running. Simulate a different program behavior by change runtime data, and understand which routine or command is causing that long time a program is taking to finish. This course will start with a bonus package, Basic ABAP Concepts, because nothing is more frustrating than knowing what the tooling can offer but having no clue of what all those commands do and why they were called in that sequence. ABAP programmers can skip this part and dive into the debug lessons immediately. The debugger lessons will present an overview of the debugger at first, and then we'll deep dive in all of its capabilities like code execution, breakpoints, watchpoints, how to customize the debugger, and how to save the current status for future use. This course is designed for you. Both members of functional and development teams will benefit from it. The ABAP introduction will let beginners in a higher level of understanding before the debugger is presented in detail. Start the course now, gain new skills, and be ahead in the market.